Hey there, folks. Let's talk water. It's everywhere, inside and around your property. You see it here, here, and here. Of course, here. You name it. But you know what's a total downer?
Oh boy, little gummy poo.
You know what I do when I'm feeling down? I pretend to be happy till I find that I am.
When all that water decides to go rogue because of broken drains, pumps, and sewer line. Ouch, right? Suddenly, you're stuck with a mess and your first thought, is my insurance going to save the day? Oh dear, don't worry, that's our expertise. Let Joyce Insurance break it down for you. Now, picture this. You're relaxing at home, watching TV with your kids, and suddenly, your basement feels like a swimming pool. Panic mode. You found out the damage is due to a broken sewer or drain. Fear not. File that claim and we've got you covered. But what if your sump pump decides to take a vacation due to mechanical issue? You got it. File that claim because you've got a lifesaver for stormy days. Now, if the water backup damage is due to overflowing water from your pool, well, it might be covered. Water backup is an optional coverage. If water comes back through the sewer or if your sump pump fails and you have purchased optional coverage, your insurance company will pay a limited amount to clean up the damage and repair affected items, usually between $5,000 and $50,000. Ready to dive into the watery world of coverage? Contact us today, and let's get your home equipped with the ultimate water backup armor. Oh, and if you need a quote, we'll have it in your hands, faster than you can say. Insurance magic. Contact us now.